Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Ashia Williams with us. Miss Ashia is a native of Indiana, but currently resides in LA. She's a graduate of Howard University with a major in chemistry and has worked in the financial services and pharmaceutical industry. She is a dog mom to a Cavapoo and the aunt of 15 nieces and nephews. And today we're going to be discussing how trading correlates with your financial goals. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ashia, what role does psychology play in trading, and how can beginners avoid making emotional trading decisions?
Yeah, so psychology is probably the most important role in trading. How you pretty much live your life outside of trading is how you're going to trade. If you're very risky, very impulsive and things like that, you'll probably end up being a trader that's jumping in and out of trades like a scalper. And then if you're very organized and things like that, very calculated, you'll probably, really study those technical analysis and really begin to understand the market so that you can be a long-term swing trader. There's a book that a lot of new traders will read. It's called Trading in the Zone, and it really references and talks to or speaks to the psychology of a trader. So I tell people all the time, before you even get into any trade, you need to really understand what your mindset is like. Are you going to be a person who can't tolerate risk? You're risk averse and you're jumping in and out of trades? Because if so, then you probably should stick closer to the scalping side. If you're a person who's very calculated, who's very I'm very sure, I'm very certain that this trade is going to go in X direction, then you might want to be a long-term trader. It may take a while for it to get there, but you know that it's going to get exactly where you need for it to go. And I apologize. This is my dog.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.